Mania is a disorder of option A mood, option B memory, option C personality, option D appetite. The correct answer is option A mood disorder. Mania is called mood disorder. Mania is commonly associated with option A bipolar, option B schizophrenia, option C OCD, option D anxiety. The correct answer is option A bipolar disorder. Mania is commonly associated with bipolar disorder. Excessive speech in mania is called option echolalia, option B pressured speech, option C mutism, option D dysarthria. The correct answer is option B pressured speech. Excessive self-confidence in mania, option A grandiosity, option B neologism, option C delusion of guilt, option C nihilistic delusion. The correct answer is option A grandiosity. Increased psychomotor activity is a hallmark of option A mania, option B depression, option C dementia, option D panic disorder. The correct answer is option A mania. Excessive buying, spending money is option A impulsivity, option B compulsion, option C phobia, option D obsession. The correct answer is option A impulsivity. Excessive buying, spending money is called impulsivity. Lack of sleep but still energetic indicates option A insomnia, option B reduced need for sleep, option C hypersomnia, option D somnolence. The correct answer is option B reduced need for sleep. Option B is the correct answer. The next one, flight of ideas is seen in option A mania, option C option B depression, option C PTSD post traumatic stress disorder, option D autism. The correct answer is option A mania. Mild form of mania is option A hypomania, option B dysthymia, option C cyclothymia, option D catatonia. The correct answer is option A hypomania. Common mood stabilizer used in mania, option A lithium, option B fluoxetine, option C diazepam, option D amitriptyline. The correct answer is option A lithium. Hallmark symptom of mania, option A elevated mood, option B flat affect, option C hallucination, option D poverty of speech. The correct answer is option A elevated mood. Bipolar disorder type with mania, option A type 1, option B type 2, option C cyclothymia, option D dysthymia. The correct answer is option A type 1. Increased sexual activity in mania is called option A hypersexuality, option B asexuality, option C sexual aversion, option D paraphilia. The correct answer is option A hypersexuality. Nursing priority in mania, option A maintain safety, option B provide privacy, option C allow crowd, option D encourage long discussion. The correct answer is option A maintain safety. Eating pattern in India in mania. Eating pattern in mania, option A reduced food intake, option B overeating, option C vomiting, option D binge eating. The correct answer is option A reduced food intake. Speech form seen in mania, option A loud and rapid, option B slow and soft, option C monotonous, option D shuddering. The correct answer is option A. The major neurotransmitter involved in mania, option A dopamine, option B GABA, option C serotonin, option D acetylcholine. The correct answer is option A GABA. Best environment for manic patient, option A low stimulation, option B noise room, option C television always on, option D party like environment. The correct answer is option A low stimulation. Clothing style in mania, option A flamboyant dressing, option B simple dressing, option C negligent dressing, option D uniform dressing. The correct answer is option A flamboyant dressing. Key feature differentiating mania from hypomania, option A psychotic symptoms, option B elevated mood, option C increased energy, option D talkativeness. The correct answer is option A psychotic symptoms. Flight of ideas means option A rapid shifting of thoughts, option B lack of thoughts, option C false belief, option D memory loss. The correct answer is option lack of thought. Dangerous behavior in mania is due to option A poor judgment, option B high IQ, option C fear, option D slow activity. The correct answer is option A poor judgment. Delusion usually seen in mania, option A grandeur, option B persecution, option C guilt, option D nihilism. The correct answer is option A grandeur. In mania, hepatitis, option A decreased, option B normal or decreased, option C increased, option D none. The correct answer is option C nothing. Option C increased. The next question, first line drug in acute mania, option A lithium, option B clozapine, option C alprazolam, option D donepezil. First line drug in acute mania, option A lithium, option B clozapine, option D alprazolam, option D donepezil. The correct answer is option A lithium. First line drug in acute mania is lithium drug.